Hi, my name is Steve Byrne and I'm one of the owners of the Poolwerx shop here in Dalkeith. We opened the shop in the December of 2017, but prior to that, our vans have actually been working through the Dalkeith and Netherlands area for the last 15 years. Please come into our store and Amanda will test your water for free. Or if you're passing by and you would like a free Living with Water DVD for your kids, very educational, please stop in and Amanda will give you one of those. Or if you're looking for some Christmas ideas, pop in and you can purchase a pool toy. So please, once I said, come in and see Amanda and we can talk to you about all issues with your swimming pools, from chemicals to equipment and spare parts. If you find you don't have time to come into our store, please give us a call and one of our vans will come out to you. We can get your pool ready for summer, or if you're having any issues with your pool being balanced or equipment issues, we can sort that out as well. And if you find you don't have any time at all to maintain your pool, we can look after that for you on a regular basis. Poolwerx in Dalkeith is based in Waratah, in the centre of Waratah Ave. We're convenient to the IGA, or if you'd like to pick up a cup of coffee while you're getting your water test, we're also convenient to the local cafes. We have plenty of parking out the front of the store, so pop in any time.